Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab lollipops at home. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of fresh crab meat, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and your favorite seasonings like Old Bay. You'll also need 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of flour for binding, plus vegetable oil for frying. Don't forget the lollipop sticks, which are essential for the presentation. This simple list ensures you have everything needed to start. Now, let's mix and shape our crab lollipops. In a bowl, gently combine your fresh crab meat with the breadcrumbs and any desired spices. Next, add the whisked egg and flour mixture, mixing just enough to bind everything without overworking the crab. Take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture and carefully form it into a ball around the end of a lollipop stick. Repeat this process until all the mixture is used. It's time to cook these delicious crab lollipops. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few lollipops into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Remove them and let them drain on a paper towel-lined plate. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade crab lollipops. They are best served warm, perhaps with a zesty lemon aioli or a sweet chili dipping sauce. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely touch and enhances their visual appeal. These make a fantastic appetizer for any gathering. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.